Over the years, we have built an array of adventure vehicles. Our passion for building things and challenging ourselves has taken us many different routes. Our goal is always to design something unique and functional that will allow us to explore and have some fun along the way. Sometimes too much fun. Our recent honeymoon took us through Idaho and Oregon with our mountain bikes and dogs. We came back longing to spend more time on the road and decided that our next project was going to allow just that. When I say ultimate adventure vehicle, you probably already know what I'm talking about. We've oogled and awed over their craftsmanship, quality, and capability off-road. But our passion is in making things. So what do you think? Can we pull off making the ultimate adventure vehicle? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along as we tackle our biggest project to date.